Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the system. Update Windows and make sure you have at least 2 GB free, because installs fail on full drives. Once done, close Roblox and the Microsoft Store and use Task Manager to end lingering Roblox-related tasks. Then run the built-in Microsoft Store app Troubleshooter. It finds permission or cache issues. Make sure to write down any error codes it returns. Those guide the next steps. This sequence saves time versus random fixes and sets a clean baseline for repair. You now repair the app ecosystem. Run WS Reset. exe to clear the Microsoft Store cache, because corrupted cache blocks downloads. Once done, open Settings, go to Apps, find Roblox, choose Advanced Options and select Repair. This fixes corrupted app data without losing settings. If repair fails, open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc and dism to restore system files. These commands repair underlying Windows components the store relies on. Make sure to reboot after each major step. To apply, you finish by uninstalling Roblox completely, restart Windows, then reinstall from the Microsoft Store to ensure a fresh package. Once installed, sign in and launch a test game. Make sure to verify network stability. Switch to wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and disable VPN or proxy, which often blocks game services. If problems persist, reinstall Xbox Identity Provider and confirm your Windows account is linked correctly. One key troubleshooting tip. If errors remain, capture the exact error code and run the store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.